Greetings! As an internetpreneur, the journey of creating an online course is often fraught with anxiety and stress. Does the process feel overwhelming, with a crushing pressure to include every single piece of knowledge you possess? This impulse frequently leads to content overload, diluting your message and causing a detrimental loss of clarity for both you and your future students. The central pain point is the stress of course creation that mistakenly prioritizes sheer quantity of information over genuine quality and, most importantly, student transformation. The reality of course creation overwhelm. We are frequently lured into the deceptive content dump trap. We try to impress our students with the volume of information, the hours of video, the massive resource library, rather than focusing on delivering a clear, demonstrable, and achievable transformation. This content first approach creates a vicious cycle. It overwhelms us during the creation phase, making the project feel insurmountable, and it overwhelms our students during the consumption phase, leading to low engagement and high dropout rates, as well as poor results. The mindful solution: transformation first design. The mindful solution is a fundamental shift in perspective. Build your course with the student's ultimate journey and destination in mind. Instead of starting with, "What do I know?" you start with, "Where do I want to take my student?" This approach is about defining one core life-changing transformation and then building a simple, elegant, step-by-step path to achieve it. The counterintuitive truth of effective online education is this: less content with more structure and support often leads to dramatically better results. And you can do so with these mindful practical steps. Mindful practical step 1: define the one thing. This is the non-negotiable foundation of your course. You must distill the entire value proposition down to a singular, powerful outcome. Take the action in this manner. Ask yourself, what is the single most important transformation my student will achieve by the end of this course? As an example, for a business course, not learn social media marketing, but launch a profitable Instagram strategy that converts leads into clients. And example 2, for a wellness course, it would not be understand meditation, too general. Instead, develop a consistent 15-minute daily mindfulness habit to reduce anxiety. Once this one thing is defined, it becomes the ruthless filter for all content decisions. Every module, every lesson, every resource, every bonus download must directly support that one core outcome. Be ruthless in cutting anything that doesn't. This practice is not about scarcity, it's about clarity and potency, which leads to mindful practical step 2. Chunk content into tiny, actionable steps. Respecting your students' time and attention is the ultimate act of mindfulness in course creation. The era of the 2-hour video lecture is over, thank God. They feel like homework and destroy completion rates. Take this action. Break down complex concepts into 5 to 10-minute micro lessons, never more. The goal of each lesson is not comprehensive knowledge. It is a single, clear step forward. Crucially follow every micro lesson with either a clear, immediate action step, like go open this tool and apply setting X, or a powerful reflection question. How does this concept change the way you approach Y? This learn a little, Do a little methodology respects your students' finite cognitive capacity, prevents overwhelm, and builds momentum through quick wins, and significantly increases course completion rates and, consequently, your student success stories, which leads to embracing the student journey, the guide, not the guru. Embracing the student journey requires a crucial shift in your identity as an educator. You must transition from being an expert who merely tells everything they know to a guide who strategically shows the most efficient path. Your role is not to be a walking encyclopedia. It is to curate the most important, necessary information and provide a clear, supportive framework for implementation. This mindful approach is inherently less stressful for you because you are focused on facilitating learning rather than delivering information. For your students, it's infinitely more effective because they are focused on doing and transforming rather than just watching. So, in closing, stop worrying about creating the perfect or biggest course. Instead, focus your energy on creating the most transformative course. And in reflection, what is the one core, powerful, life changing transformation your course will provide? Lock that down, simplify the steps, and start creating with intention. Tell us about your transformative course in the comments. And for more insights on creating highly effective and transformative learning experiences, and to learn how to sustain a mindful approach to your online business, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Mindful Internetpreneur. Thank you for watching. Create mindfully and stay mindful.